5 most anti-aging exercises. What if I told you that you only need 5 exercises to stay strong after 50? No gym, no equipment, just 5 movements your body actually needs. The 5th one is the most overlooked. Skip it, and your body will age faster than it should. Number 1, the horse stance. Exercise number 1. Horse stance, rebuild leg strength and balance. This static hold is a powerhouse for developing strength and endurance in your lower body. It directly strengthens your hips, knees, and legs, while improving your overall balance and stability. It builds serious muscle control, while also sharpening your focus. Over time, this stance makes everyday movements, like climbing stairs, feel effortless again. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet well outside, shoulder width. Lower your hips until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor. Keep your chest open and your spine tall. Don't hold your breath. Keep your breathing slow and steady. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds and increase as you get stronger. This is where you build real leg strength and balance. Exercise number 2, plank. Build a strong core. Number 2, the plank. Don't think the plank is just for visible abs. It's a full body shield. This exercise forces your abs, glutes, and shoulders to work together, building stability that protects your spine. When your core is strong and resilient, everyday movements like bending down become easier and safer. This exercise also improves your posture, helping prevent the slouching that comes with age. Here's how to do it. Drop onto your forearms and toes. Keep your elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a completely straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your breathing slow, steady, and controlled. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds, slowly building up your endurance. This is how you build a truly strong core. Exercise number 3. Deep squat. Restore hip mobility. Number 3. The deep squat. This is your mobility test. Most adults lose the ability to hold a deep squat, leading to stiff hips and lower back pain. Practicing a deep squat helps restore that natural mobility. When you sink into this position, your joints are forced to move through their full range, while your core and back muscles activate to keep you upright. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Sink your hips as low as possible. Your heels should be firmly planted. Keep your back tall and your chest lifted. If your joints feel too stiff, hold on to a door frame or sturdy chair for support. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds, building up to a full minute. This is how you restore your natural hip mobility. Exercise number 4, push-up. Rebuild upper body strength. Number 4, the push-up. This exercise remains the gold standard for upper body strength and stability. It targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. Beyond building muscle, push-ups also help you maintain bone density, which naturally declines over time. They give you the power to push yourself up and stay independent as you age. Here's how to do it. Place your hands on the floor just wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a completely straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your chest down, tucking your elbows back at a 45-degree angle, then push back up forcefully. Beginners should start with wall push-ups, knee push-ups, or incline push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This is how you rebuild upper body strength. Exercise number 5, glute bridge. Protect your lower back. Number 5, the glute bridge. This move is key for spinal health and hip stability. Hours of daily sitting turn your glutes completely off. That's why your lower back takes the hit, leading to chronic pain. The glute bridge reawakens these muscles, instantly taking the painful pressure off your spine and helping your hips move properly again. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold for a second at the top, then slowly lower back down. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This is how you protect your lower back for decades to come. Your 5-minute daily routine now. Here's your complete routine. Horse stance, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Plank, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Deep squat, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Glute bridge, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Do this routine 3 times a week. That's it. Now, if you want to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free for life, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.